a makeup video where I'm going to try my hands on my sister. So let's get started. My sister wanted a slightly party look, but not that heavy. So I'm going to start with just a simple cotton and water spray.
I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220, which is natural beige, and I'm going to dab it on her face as well as neck to have an even texture. And then with a blending puff, I'm going to uniformly blend it all over her skin. It might look very cakey in the beginning, but give it some time to set. Also take care of the under eyes.
Nude shades by Maybelline. Now, since she wanted a very natural kind of a look with minimum makeup, always you have to keep in mind that if you want to blend in two shades, so always start with the lighter shade that will become the base of your eyes and then go into the darker shade.
So I'm using a flat brush to use the beige shade from the Maybelline palette and dab it to allow the excess to fall off, and then apply as the base shade of her eyes.
It is giving a very beautiful effect. You don't have to see. Move on to a different eye palette. This is from Mars. I will go with the slightly bronze shade. I'm just putting it from the inner corner of our eyes to the middle portion. So you can see from the inner corner to the middle, and I have left this portion. Blend the color.
I will apply the dark chocolate from the Mars palette on the outer edge of her eye. For the final look, I will be using fingers for the golden shade of the Mars palette and apply it on the center of her eyes to give it a shine. For lining the upper lash line, I will be using the Perfect City Defined Bronze Shaded Eyeliner from Miniso. So the eyeshadow makeup is almost complete, and this is how it looks. For the lower lash line, I will be using the Maybelline Gel Eye Pencil in the shade Striking Copper. Next, I will be using the Maybelline Hypercurl Volume Mascara. Next, we move on to the cheeks, and I will be using the Lakme 925 blush in the shade Peach Affair on the apple of our cheeks. For highlighting, I have used MasterChrome by FaceStudio Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline. I've taken a little on my finger, and now I'm going to put it on her nose to highlight the nose area. So you can see this is how it looks before, and after you put, slightly smudge it with another finger and shiny nose, and again on the apple of the cheeks. For the lips, I have used the Nykaa lipstick in the shade 50M, which is Cinnamon Crunch. Always remember that bright eyes goes better with soft lips. So next I will be using the MAC Lady Mac Danger in the shade 15 to highlight her lips. For completing the lip makeup, I have taken a little bit of the golden shimmer from the Mars palette and dabbing it in the center of her lips to give it that shine. And here comes the final look. The gorgeous transformation.